we are going to discuss the few important questions related to mains level and KCET level, especially from NCERT book. See, integration of x cube whole divided by x plus 1. You know, this is that x cube by x plus 1. You know, this one is nothing but the improper fraction. This is called improper fraction. So whenever improper fractions are given, you convert into the proper fraction. So what is that meant by proper fraction? Degree of numerator is less than degree of the denominator. So how can we do this one? See, look at this one. Here this one is the integration of x cube plus 1 minus 1, adding and subtracting with 1. So you will be get that x plus 1 into dx. Right? After this one, here x cube plus 1 you take as that one term. This one we can write that integration of x cube plus 1 we can write as that 1 whole to the power of 3 by x plus 1 into dx minus integration of 1 by x plus 1 into dx. Okay, so I hope that it is very clear to all of you. After that, we know that integration of here a cube minus a b cube. What is that a cube plus b cube formula? A cube plus b cube formula will be a plus b into a square minus a square minus ab plus b square. So by using this formula, you can write that is equals to integration of this one will be x plus 1 into this value will be x square minus x plus 1 whole divided by x plus 1 into dx, x plus 1 into dx minus integration of 1 by x plus 1 into dx. Right? So now here in this one, x plus 1 and x plus 1 will be cancelled. What is that remaining value? This value will be equals to integration of x square minus x plus 1 into dx minus integration of 1 whole divided by x plus 1 into dx. You know, integration of x square into dx minus integration of x into dx plus integration of 1 into dx minus total integration of 1 by x plus 1 into dx. So you know integration of x square will be x cube whole divided by 3 minus integration of x into dx is that x square by 2 plus integration of 1 into dx is that x minus integration of 1 by x plus 1 will be that log of x plus 1 plus c. Here c is that integral constant. Therefore, integration of x cube whole divided by x plus 1 into dx value will be equals to this one. So what is that answer? X cube whole divided by 3 minus x square by 2 plus x minus log of x plus 1 plus c. This one is that integration of x cube whole divided by x plus 1 into dx value. So I hope that everybody is clear this problem. See, one more question we will see that in this one. So that question number, next question will be, here is that second question. Here you see that integration of square root of 1 plus x whole divided by 1 minus x into dx. In this one, x not equals to 0. So what will be happens when x is equals to 1? Denominator will be 0. When denominator will be 0, then the function will be does not be exist. So this is the condition. Now how to do this model? This modal problems will do that. Here integration of square root of 1 plus x by 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Multiply numerator and denominator with 1 minus x. So 1 plus x. 1 plus x by 1 plus x into dx. See, you know this value will be equals to, numerator value will be integration of square root of 1 plus x whole square whole divided by, denominator will be a minus b into a plus b. So this value will be a square minus b square. So here in this one you can write that here this value will be into dx. This one we can write that integration of root 1 plus x whole square will be 1 plus x whole divided by root of 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square into dx. So I hope that everyone is clear this value. So after that you split as the two terms, integration of 1 by root of 1 minus x square into dx minus integration of x by root of 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square into dx. See, here very simple. Now here in this one, here you write that this one is the plus and here you write that minus. Now you know one formula is there in integration. Integration of f dash of x whole divided by root f of x. Integration of f dash x by root f of x. You know this formula will be 2 into square root of f of x. So you know this is that one formula in that integration. By using this value, you know this one can be write that this one we can be write that sine inverse of integration of 1 by root 1 minus x square will be sine inverse of x plus here this one you multiply and divided with the 2, that is equals to 1 by 2 into integration of minus 2x by root of 1 minus x square. See very clearly, whatever is there under the root, it is that f of x. The derivative will be nothing but what is the derivative of 1 minus x square minus 2x into dx. So using that above formula, you can write this value will be equals to, that is equals to sine inverse of x plus 1 by 2 into, by using that above formula, 2 into root of 1 minus x square, okay, plus c. Here that 2 and 2 will be cancelled. This answer will be equals to, that is equals to sine inverse of, this one will be equals to sine inverse of x plus root of 1 minus x square into d and 1 minus x square plus c. So your final result will be integration of that given function root of 1 plus x by 1 minus x into dx value will be this one. So now one more important question we will see that in that integration. So all of you see, it is that one of the most important question. So please be remember this one. See here one more important question, very most important question. See, this one we can use as a shortcut formula also. See everyone please be understand, this one we can remember that one shortcut formula. This is that one shortcut formula. See what is that this shortcut formula. See integration of, here is that integration of dx whole divided by root of x minus alpha into beta minus x. Okay, here in this one beta is greater than alpha. This value will be equals to 2 into sine inverse of 2 into sine inverse of, here is that square root of x minus alpha by beta minus x plus c, beta minus x plus c. See how you can be use this one as the shortcut formula. So please be remember, it is a very important for the mains examination and KCET point of view also. It is that very most important formula. See how can we use this one in that KCET point of view or mains point of view. Example, you see here, this one we can write that integration of dx whole divided by, this value will be square root of x minus 2 into 3 minus x into dx. According to this one, here beta value is that a 3, alpha value is that a 2. Then we can write the direct answer 2 into sine inverse of square root of x minus alpha means x minus 2 by 3 minus x. So direct integration plus c. So by using this model questions, so many of the problems we can see that in upcoming classes. So now next one more very important question. This one we can use the shortcut, one more shortcut formula. This is that shortcut 1. This is the shortcut 1. And next one more shortcut formula I will tell you. This one is also a direct formula in NCERT, I mean in the board examinations or mains examinations. Integration of 1 whole divided by a square into sine square x plus b square into cos square x, b square into cos square x into dx. So this one is very important for that either NCERT, either board examination, CBSE or PU examination or state board examination, any examination. It is one of the most important question. This one we can use as the shortcut. So how you can do this problem? See, integration of, divide numerator and denominator with b square into cos square x. When you divide, this one is b square into cos square x, 1 by b square into secant square x whole divided by a square by b square into tan square x plus 1, tan square x plus 1 into dx. Now you see after this one, so here that this one you can write that 1 by b square into integration of secant square x into dx whole divided by a by b into tan square x, a by b into tan x whole square, a by b into tan x whole square plus 1 into dx. Now this problem you can do that by the substitution. Here you can write that put, this value is that put a by b is equals to b into tan x is equals to t, differentiating with respect to x on both sides. A by b into tan x derivative is that what, secant square x into dx is equals to dt, right? So now from this one we can write that secant square x into dx is equals to, this value will be equals to b by a into dt. So now substitute this value in that above result. So this is that, let it be, this is that 1. So now from 1, substitute in 1, you can write that 1 by b square into, see, integration of secant square x into dx value b by a into dx. So b by a into, sorry, this is that dt, b by a into dt whole divided by, this value will be that t square plus 1, right? Now this one we can write that 1 by b square into, this is that b by a into integration of 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. 1 plus t square into dt. Here, now you can cancel that. B is the cancel. Here 1b and 1b is the cancel. Now you can write that 1 by ab is equals to 1 by ab into 1 by ab into integration of 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. You know, integration of 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is equals to this value will be equals to tan inverse of x plus c or minus cot inverse of x plus c. Any formula you can write in this value. So now here I will write that is equals to 1 by ab into this value will be tan inverse of t. What is that t value? That is equals to 1 by ab into tan inverse of. Now according to that above substitution, you have taken that t is equals to a by b into tan x. So you can write that t is equals to a by b into tan x. Okay, plus c. So finally our answer will be integration of, therefore integration of 1 by a square into sine square x plus b square into cos square x into dx is equals to, the result will be 1 by ab into tan inverse of a by b into tan x plus c. So now this one we can use that as a shortcut in that entrance point of view. So now generally these questions will be asked in that KCET level or MCET level or mains level. Okay, so please be remember this one. I will give that one example how to apply this one. See, look at this one. Here is that one example you see. Integration of 1 whole divided by 2 into sine square x, okay, plus 5 into cos square x into dx. What is that integration of this value? Now by comparing that above result, a square is equals to 2 and b square is equals to, what is that value? 5. So now after this one, a value is the root 2 and b value is the root 5. So therefore this formula, by applying that 1 by a into b and root a 2 into root 5, okay, into tan inverse of a by b. A value is that root 2 by b value is that root 5 into tan x. Okay, so now by simplifying this result, that is equals to 1 by root 10 into tan inverse of square root of 2 by 5 into tan x plus c. So this is that application how to use that above shortcut in objective point of view. So I hope that everyone is clear this problem. And one more question, we'll see that one more model in this question. See, next model is that question number, that is that next one is that 3. What is that integration of tan x whole to the power of 8 into secant x whole to the power of 4 into dx? So generally most of the students will be panic by seeing this question, but it is very simple. You know, tan x derivative will be what? Secant square x. Tan x derivative is that what? Secant square x. So very simple, this one is integration of tan x whole to the power of 8 into secant x whole to the power of 4. You write that secant square x into secant square x. Now you replace 1 secant square x in terms of the tan. You know what is that secant square x in terms of the tan? That is that this is the tan x whole to the power of 8 into 1 secant square value. I will write that 1 plus tan square x into secant square x into dx. Secant square x into dx. I hope it is very clear to all of you. Now after that put tan x is equals to t. Put tan x is equals to t. So now tan x is equals to t, differentiating on both sides with respect to x, this value will be that secant square x into dx is equals to, this value is that dt. So now you substitute this value in that above result 1. Okay, so after this one integration of tan x is equals to, I assume as the t to the power of 8 into 1 plus t square into secant square x into dx value is that dt. So now you simplify this value, that is equals to integration of t to the power of 8 into dt plus integration of t power 10 into dt. So what is that integration of x to the power of n? X to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this value you can write that t to the power of 9 by 9 plus t to the power of 11 whole divided by 11. This is that value. But the question is given in terms of that trigonometric. So now you replace the t value. So what is that t value? T is equals to, I assume as that tan x. Tan x value I taken as the t. So now here you substitute that t is equals to tan x. So this value will be tan x whole to the power of 9 or whole to the power of, first you can write that 11 whole divided by 11 plus tan x whole to the power of 9. Tan x whole to the power of 9 whole divided by 9 plus c. So if you want it, you can write that one more step, that you can take the tan x whole power 9 is the common. Tan x whole to the power of 9, if you take the common, so now this one will be tan x whole square. Tan x whole square by 11 plus 1 by 9 plus c. So your answer will be, this one is that your right answer. So integration of tan x whole to the power of 8 into secant x whole power 4 into dx value will be equals to tan x whole to the power of 9 into tan x whole square by 11 plus 1 by 9 plus c. So I hope that everybody is clear these model problems. So one more question we will see. There's one more model we will see in this one. So what is that question? Very most important question. See, here is that next question number 4. You see, fourth question. What is that fourth question? This one is based on that one formula. So let me first explain. Okay, first we will see that problem. Integration of e to the power of x into cos x minus sin x into dx. Sin x into dx. See, so here this one will be do that simple formula. Actually this one will go through that integration by parts, but here integration by parts, instead of that you can use the formula integration of e to the power of x into f of x plus f dash of x. You know this formula, by using that integration by parts, this value will be equals to e to the power of x into f of x plus c. e to the power of x into f of x plus c. This is the very most important result for all entrance exams. So everyone please be remember this formula, e to the power of x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx is equals to e power x into f of x. Now let us discuss that given question. So in this one, what is that given question? Integration of e to the power of x into cos x minus sin x into dx. You see, in this one, suppose f of x will be that cos x. F of x will be the cos x. Then obviously here f dash of x will be equals to minus sin x. So here what I am assuming, f of x is equals to, this is that cos x. This is that cos x. So from this, what is that f dash of x value? Derivative of the function f dash of x is equals to minus sin x. So very clearly the above given expression will be satisfy the above result, standard result. Therefore, what is our required value? E to the power of x into cos x plus c. Because of what is that formula? Integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx is equals to e to the power of f of x plus c. So I hope that everybody is clear this problem. So in this model we have that many of the questions are there. So this one is it's a MCQ. It's a MCQ in that previous mains question. So now the next question will be, see, another model. It is also very important question. Question number 5. See, fifth question. Question number 5. Integration of, if integration of 3 into e to the power of x minus 5 into e to the power of minus x whole divided by 4 into e to the power of x plus 5 into e to the power of minus x into dx is equals to a into x plus b into log of 4 into e to the power of x plus 5 into e to the power of minus x plus c. So then what is that values of a and b? Then what is that values of a and b? So then we have to find that a comma b. So everybody you can be check that this model question is very important. This is given that mains examination and AP NCERT examination and KCET exam also. Please be all of you listen and please do the practice this question. It is a very important model. So I will tell you the simple technique. So apply the reverse method. Here this problem is applying the reverse method. Apply reverse method. Apply reverse method. So what is that reverse method? Reverse method means so here you have to find out that integration. So but now reverse of the integration, reverse method is that word differentiation. So here now I will differentiate on both sides. First of all, what is that given expression? Integration of 3 into e to the power of x minus 5 into e to the power of minus x whole divided by 4 into e to the power of x plus 5 into e to the power of minus x into dx is equals to a into x plus b into log of 4 into e to the power of x plus 5 into e to the power of minus x plus c. Here c is that integral constant. So now reverse method means differentiate on both sides with respect to x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Both sides with respect to x. So it is that very simple method. So please all of you note down this question and do the practice. It is a very important model for especially mains examination. So if you differentiating on both sides, integration and differentiation will be cancelled. Now you will be get that 3 into e to the power of x minus 5 into e to the power of minus x whole divided by 4 into e to the power of x plus 5 into e to the power of minus x is equals to derivative of a into x will be that a plus b is a constant b into this one you take as the log x. Log x derivative is that what? 1 by x. So 1 by 4 into e to the power of x plus 5 into e to the power of minus x into derivative of 4 e power x plus 5 into e power x, that will be equals to 4 into e power x minus 5 into e to the power of minus x. So and c is the derivative of constant is 0. Now here you take that LCM. See, first you write that LHS. 3 into e power x minus 5 into e to the power of minus x whole divided by 4 into e power x plus 5 into e to the power of minus x. What is that LCM? That is that 4 into e to the power of x plus 5 into e to the power of minus x. Now this value is that a into 4 into e to the power of x plus 5 into e to the power of minus x plus b into this value is that 4 into e to the power of x minus 5 into e to the power of minus x. After this one, you see both sides LCM is the same. This one and this one is a cancel. Now after that, you have to write it that 3 into e to the power of x minus 5 into e to the power of minus x is equals to 4a into 4 into e power x plus 5 into e to the power of minus x plus b into 4 into e power x minus 3 into minus 5 into e power minus x. Look at this one. Left hand side we have the two terms are there, e power x and e power minus x. So right side also you take that e power x is the common and e power minus x is the common. 4a plus 4b into e to the power of x. E to the power of x. And next one is that 5a minus 5b into e to the power of minus x. So now equating the terms on both sides. So when we are equating on both sides, you will be get this value will be, therefore you will be get e power x coefficient left hand side is a 3, right hand side is that 4a plus 4b. So you can write that this value is that 4a plus 4b is equals to 3. Okay, so I hope everybody is clear this one. Let it be this one you take as that equation 1. And next one is that e power minus x coefficient 5a minus 5b is equals to minus 5. So now this one you take as that equation 2. Solving that 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. By solving 1 and 2. By solving 1 and 2. By solving 1 and 2. So what is that a value and b value? From solving you can get that a is equals to, see here that you take that 4 is the common. Here from this one a plus, you can write it that by taking that 4 is the common, you can write this value will be a plus b is equals to 3 by 4. Okay, and next one is that a minus b is equals to, this value will be equals to minus 1. So I hope everyone is clear this value. Now by adding these two, here plus b and minus b will be cancelled. then here it will be equals to 2a is equals to minus 1 plus 3 by 4. This value will be equals to minus 1 by 4. So 2a is equals to minus 1 by 4 means a is equals to what is that value? Minus 1 by 8. So this a value, substitute that any one of the above equation, then we can find that b value. B is equals to, by substitute you will be get that 7 by 8. So how can we verify these two are that correct or wrong? Both values substitute either in first equation or second equation. If these two will be satisfied, then a and b values are the correct only. So I hope that everyone is clear this question. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more information and for more videos and simple techniques in mains point of view. Thank you for watching this video.